Welcome to the Anvil kitchen. My name is Chef Madumo, also known as Chef MD. Today we'll be preparing tuna and broccoli pie using the Grande Forni oven. This is our Anvil Grande Forni 5.6 kilowatts convection oven. The oven takes 600 by 400 baking trays as well as the GN1 gas drum pans. The oven also has a great heat distribution because of the two high-powered fans that changes the direction of the airflow that happens every 2 minutes. The oven also has steam injection which assists in browning pastries and breads. Before baking your pies, you need to preheat your oven for 20 minutes on a temperature of 180 degrees. So for the pie, what we are going to need is, we'll need chopped onions, we've got broccoli, we've got some peas, we've got some grated cheese, we've got tuna, we've got some olive oil, we've got some mustard, we've got some milk, and obviously the star of the dish, which is the filo pastry. We'll saute our onions up until they're translucent or a little bit golden brown. Then we'll add half a cup of milk, bring it to boil. Once the milk has boiled, the other half of milk we add it into the corn flour to make a paste. That very same paste is going to go into the heated milk so that it thickens our milk. Remove from the heat, stir in the mustard and the grated cheese. What we'll do is we'll add in our cooked broccoli. Remember, we still have some tuna also to add in, so we'll add the broccoli. Stir it in a little bit, then add in the tuna. Once you've mixed everything together, you can now add in your peas. Now that our filling has been portioned in our ramekins, I've got my filo pastry which I've brushed in olive oil. And what I'll do is I'll cut it into small portions so that I make nice florets for the florets to go on top of the pie. Now we're baking our pies on our preheated oven. I'm going to leave them in the oven for about 20 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the final product, broccoli and tuna pie.